Friends, today we are going to show you multi-point locking in 37 and above series, or even 29mm series also it is used. This is called nib holder. This is the nib fixed with it. This is the rod. This is the handle along with the connection device. This is how it operates. This is unlock position and this is lock position. This 15-20 euro channel is required in this sliding profile to use this hardware. Now first of all we will disassemble this handle, and again we will show you how to assemble it. Remove the caps. I need to remove this screws. It is very easy. This is the handle. This could be 2 fork also. I will explain you how to fix the 2 fork also. This is very simple. This is the slot which is required to fix this type of handle. If 2 forks are there, a bigger slot is required. This is the Euro channel which fixes in this area. This is the holding device. It inserts in this groove, and this is nib holder. You have to fix the nib in this, and also adjustment of nib is possible with the help of this grub screw. You can take it ahead or back. If in case you have this type of 2 fork handle, there is this connection device is changed with this. You have to insert this one and this one, and in this you have to make a hole, and we have to use this, and this will operate like this. This both will go in 2 directions like this. In case if you are using this type of single fork, another option could be you have to use this, and you have to put these 2 poles here and here, and with the help of these 2 poles, this will operate, the rod will operate up and down. Now simply you have to fix this with the help of this, and you have to fix this, and you have to again put the rod, and you have to fix this, and simply you have to insert this in the channel. Also, depending upon your number of locking points, you can increase this nib holder and nib. That's very simple. You have to adjust this in front of the. You have to put this inside and adjust this in front of, as you can see here, in the slot, and again you have to fix the handles as it is. Now you have to tighten this on the 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, and 4. You have to fix these caps. This is done. This is as simple as this. Thank you.